So wait, are you telling me that this tiny bottle, which is just about 1 tola or 12 ml, cost about 3,150 dirhams?
Yes.
Which is about 76,000 rupees?
This is literally the liquid gold of Dubai.
This is, wow.
Wanting to have a caramel in my mouth.
Wow.
Because it's
Wow. Dubai is known for its love affair with perfumes, and today I am going to be exploring the aromatic world of Ajmal Perfumes, an iconic brand that has been luring us with its range of fragrances since the last 73 years. So I thought, why not visit their flagship store in Dubai Mall and explore this rosy world? But I'm not exploring this fragrant paradise all by myself. Joining me today is the popular Bollywood actor, Elli Avram.
Hi everyone, I'm super excited to be here and learn all about the world of perfume.
Hello, Elli.
Hi Kamiya.
Welcome to Dubai.
Thank you so much.
Well, Elli has been holidaying in Greece and we've got her in Dubai because she loves perfume so much, don't
Yes,
you?
I do.
Yeah.
I love.
Yeah.
And especially oud.
That section there has lots of oud to offer.
Okay.
Yeah, so what would you like to explore first? The oud? Okay, let's go. So Elli, I've been learning a lot about Ajmal Perfumes, and what I discovered was oud is actually originated from agar wood, and Ajmal Perfumes especially, the foundation was laid, or rather the wood was actually found from Assam. The origin of this brand actually began about 73 years ago. The owner, Haji Ajmal Ali, used to be a farmer in Assam.
No.
And today, they're a multi-million-dollar brand with over 300 stores around the world, exporting perfume
my
to
God.
over 50 countries.
Originally from India.
Absolutely. In fact,
How
till
cool is
date,
that?
they source their raw materials from India,
From
Assam and from different places. But here, as I can see, there are lots of wood here. And of course, Amandine, who is the fragrance designer, is going to tell us more about oud.
So here, this is a typical wood chips, which people praise by just burning it on a charcoal. And it's very interesting because we're going to be seeing actually the actual oil happening. When they scent it, it's just a small piece of wood. So you don't need much actually.
That much. Okay.
But I want you to take attention. When I'm going to be placing it on the charcoal, look closely.
Yeah.
There is going to be some oil,
Oh my god.
and this is the oil that is crispy, coming out.
Oh yeah, I can see it. Oh my god.
Oh, and this acts like a perfume.
Oh my god. And this will stay in the clothes?
It will just thin, and that's it.
We can do some barbecue now.
So tell me, when oil is extracted from agar wood, what is it called?
It's a dehenal wood. It's still also be called wood.
Just that much?
Oh, and it has such a strong scent, doesn't it?
How?
How much? This is about 12 ml?
This is 12 ml, which is like almost around 3,000 roughly.
Really?
3,000 dirham.
3,000 dirhams.
So rupees mein
75 to 76,000 rupees.
ज़्यादा तो नहीं
this
है ना?
much.
Not much.
Not for Elli. मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा है.
This is literally the liquid gold of Dubai. So you mean to say that we can put one drop like here
On top of it, you can take any of the spray or even another oil.
on it?
Correct, on it. And this is going to be really ensuring your fragrance to be long lasting and also having a different facet that is personally.
Yeah, I mean, it will create a different, unique fragrance, right?
You don't want to smell like your neighbor.
Yeah,
Or
oh my God.
anyone
I
else.
hate it from the day when I was a teenager when I bought my first own perfume.
Yeah.
I would get so, would you say like possessive over it?
Yeah.
That if I were like in the school or something, smell that somebody else is wearing my perfume. Who is wearing my perfume?
Ah.
I'm only supposed to smell like that. So yeah, I've always been like that.
And that's a very big part of the Arabic culture. Absolutely. Everybody likes to smell different. While Ajmal started as a brand that was growing and selling oud, they forayed into Western fragrances, oriental fragrances, essential oils. So Elli, would you like to explore the other aspect also of Ajmal?
Yes.
So what we have here, those are concentrated oil.
Concentrated oil. Okay.
So it's a blend of different ingredients
Yeah.
to make a single perfume as well.
Yeah.
So the first one that we have here is something that's more fruitier. If you want to
Okay.
smell it.
And there's no alcohol
There's
in
no
the
alcohol,
oil
yeah.
perfumes.
But if
Okay.
you like it to have it in more spray, of course you can
Yeah.
dilute it within an alcohol so that you can have the spray format.
Oh, I love this one.
Smell after the rain.
Okay, I'm
Very
falling in
good.
love with this one.
And something again that is more Middle Eastern with some saffron, but also mostly sandalwood
This is more Middle Eastern, you're saying?
as well. So
Really?
people love it because it's only sandalwood but with a touch of saffron.
I feel this will work very well in Scandinavia. These are my two favorites.
So for you, it's lovely time. I hope you had a very
Lovely
nice time.
time.
Guys.
I have an interesting game for Elli.
Right.
Okay.
So I'm going to ask you a few questions. The game is called Never Have I Ever. So Elli, if you have, you've got to spray the perfume. So to begin with, never have I ever bought a perfume just by looking at the bottle design.
No, I've always smelled it.
Never have I ever received a perfume as a gift and then re-gifted it to someone else.
Oh, that I've done. Oh, I like it. This one is called what?
Eau de oud.
Eau de oud. It was giving me the feeling of the ocean.
Never have I ever used perfume to cover up that I didn't shower.
I have back in my school days.
Okay then.
Oh, this is
Wow.
wanting to have a caramel in my mouth.
Never have I ever complimented someone just to find out what perfume they were wearing.
Yeah, of course, I've done that. Yeah, I say that. I love
Okay,
what you're
then.
smelling. I love your perfume. Okay, wow. Okay, amber wood. Okay. Okay, now we are getting ready for the evening. So now wear our like nice gown or dress.
Never have I ever mixed two perfumes to create my own signature scent. You just did.
Oh yeah, now I have.
This is called Song of Oud.
Song of Oud. Wow. What
So
a
are you ready to sing yours?
Oh yes, I am. This is like waking up the next day and feeling like a beautiful flower. I love it. I take all of them.
We've tried a lot of perfumes, but Elli,
Yeah.
have you ever tried making a perfume?
No, I haven't, but I would love to.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So let's do that today.
my
We
God.
are getting some access to the laboratory of Ajmal Perfumes,
Okay.
where you and I are going to create a personalized set.
Like we'll get to choose like
get
what we want to
choose.
create.
Exactly.
Oh my God. Okay, I love that.
Yeah?
I
So
love
let's
that.
go.
Yeah.
Okay. Here. Fascinating, isn't it? So now, Elli, we're going to make our own perfume. We definitely need some experts
Expert, yeah, for sure.
to tell us how a perfume is actually made. So we're going to be joined by Abdulla, who's the CEO of Ajmal Perfumes, and Amandine, who's a fragrance designer. So let's see how a perfume is actually made. We are in the fancy lab of Ajmal. Now we're going to be creating our own perfume, but Abdulla, before we begin, okay, we've been talking so much about perfumes. The first thing that I really want to know is the difference between oud, attar, perfumes, EDP, EDT, and few more cologne. So many terminologies I've learned.
It's very simple.
Okay.
Every perfume starts off as a concentrate, and the other name for a concentrate is attar. Attar comes from originally the Persian word itr, then Arabic atur, and then attar. Every perfume you buy, either it's an EDT, EDP, cologne, anything, even your home fragrances, candles, anything, starts off as an attar or a concentrate. So if you're the kind of person who likes their fragrances really strong and long lasting, then a concentrate is for you. So let's use the concentrate in a very low dose, let's say 3%, that's a cologne. Bring it up to about 8%, that's a EDT, eau de toilette. Then you want something a little more powerful, it's from say 12-15%, so say 20-22%, which is an EDP, eau de parfum. Now the next trend which is happening, and we've just done a couple of launches, is a parfum, and that is 30% concentration. The meaning of perfume is from smoke, because the earlier days, that was the original way to create burning, by burning. Okay, that's where the word perfume comes from, and it just continues. I think your go-to raw material you mentioned, what you want is vanilla, right? So what we're going to do is, we'll get you to smell vanilla.
So we are now smelling the vanilla sur absolute, which is the vanilla that we get from fair trade farmers in Madagascar.
That's where the best vanilla comes from. So basically what we'll do is, we're taking scores, and on the basis of that, she will create the formulation with more of the highest score.
So I'm not a very big vanilla fan, to be honest. Yeah. I'm more of a chocolate person.
Caramel. So this is in the lines of what you might be, what you would like. So it's got that caramelish part, and it's got the, you can describe it better than me. And I can make you, where is the vanilla? So just put it behind each other, and just smell the side. That'll give you an idea of what it will be. So that's a quick way that we do selections. So
Interesting, no? This is like very girly, being like, yay.
Anything that you would like to smell in particular?
Yeah, floral. Do you have anything floral?
Of course, we have so many. So this is a very interesting.
I don't want to mix this with anything.
You want to wear it alone, right?
I feel like I'm walking at Champs-Élysées in Paris.
The other floral we're smelling
is a sister of the ylang, but in a more subtle way. This one is called tuberose.
yes, it was.
This is an absolute. Now that we have your formula, so now we're going to be doing the practice. And when you release, it is soaking up the liquid. Since you love it so much, you can go 2 times.
This is perfect. Love it. Oh, that's so sweet. We have bottles in our name now. Thank you so much, Amandine and Abdulla, for taking us through the process.
Most welcome.
Well, I love it so much that I don't think I'm going to use it too much.
Well, you can always let us know when you're done with it.
Okay.
Well, now you have a hookup. Okay. So you got inside connection.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So happy.